Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of ripe, flavorful tomatoes, which are the star of our dish. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth on hand. Finally, a half cup of heavy cream and some fresh basil will add a wonderful finishing touch. Now, let's build our flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Then, add your diced tomatoes to the pot and let them cook down for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once your tomatoes have cooked down, it's time to add the broth. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. After simmering, carefully blend the soup until it's wonderfully smooth using an immersion blender directly in the pot. If you don't have one, a regular blender works great. Just be sure to blend in small batches. For the perfect finish, stir in a half cup of heavy cream. This adds a lovely richness and a silky texture to your soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right for you. Finally, ladle your warm, comforting tomato soup into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves. It's truly a simple pleasure to make and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.